Pour this liquid on panty liners and see how fantastically it works. If you have regular panty liners or thin, small pads, use them. Pads and panty liners are essential for the personal hygiene of every woman. They are absorbent and don't leak, which makes them useful for other purposes. Take one panty liner and cut it in half with scissors, just like I do in the video. Spread them out on a table or countertop. Take your favorite fabric softener and pour a small amount into a measuring cup. Pour it over both pieces of the liner. Pour just enough so that it soaks into the pad without dripping. Now, remove the paper covering the sticky part of the liner. Take the liner and open your wardrobe. Here's where we'll use our fabric softener-soaked liner. Stick the liner to the side wall of the wardrobe. Stick the other half on the opposite side. This makes an excellent wardrobe freshener. Thanks to these liners, your wardrobe will have the pleasant scent of fresh laundry. You can easily make another freshener when this one stops working.